What is the primary purpose of the passage? This is a structure-based question, so let's look at the mind map. As per the mind map, the first paragraph describes the principle of quantum entanglement, and the second paragraph cites evidence of quantum entanglement and suggests that physicists must accept the principle. So overall, it can be inferred that the principle of quantum entanglement challenges the traditional ideas in physics. We need an answer choice on similar lines. Let's look at the answer choices. Answer choice A, to show that Einstein was correct regarding quantum entanglement. The passage says that Einstein described quantum entanglement as spooky action and suggests that the recent research has forced modern physicists to accept something that appears to be impossible. So the term impossible and spooky action indicate the idea that Einstein was correct. However, this reference to Einstein is limited in scope and does not do justice to the primary purpose of the passage. So let's eliminate this answer choice. Answer choice B, to describe how quantum entanglement questions accepted principles in science. Yes, this is what is implied in the mind map. Because the first half of the passage talks about the principle of quantum entanglement and second half talks about physicists having to accept the impossible. So it is correct to state that the main idea of the passage is to describe how quantum entanglement questions accepted principles in science. A good answer choice. Let's keep this on hold. Answer choice C, to explain the electromagnetic properties of entangled photons. The first half of the passage has a reference to electromagnetic properties known as spin, and the second half of the passage talks about the spin of entangled photons traveling instantaneously. However, the focus of the passage is not to explain the spin or electromagnetic properties of entangled photons. The focus of the passage is on suggesting that the phenomenon of quantum entanglement, which indicates that the spin is traveling faster, is not according to the traditionally considered ideas of physics. So that is the main thought in the passage. This answer choice does not do justice to the primary purpose. So let's eliminate it. Answer choice D, to detail the manner in which research on quantum entanglement is conducted. The second half of the passage has a reference to the most recent research on quantum entanglement. However, the passage does not talk about the manner in which the research in general is conducted. So this answer choice can be eliminated. Answer choice E, to illustrate how limited the human understanding of the universe is. The second half of the passage says that quantum entanglement is forcing modern physicists to accept something that appears to be impossible. So it is correct to state that the human understanding of the universe is limited. However, that is not the primary purpose of the passage. The primary purpose of the passage is to talk about the spin or the phenomenon of quantum entanglement and how it is forcing scientists to accept something that is impossible. So let's eliminate this answer choice. B is the correct answer choice.